You're watching SBoyTV.
Benjamin Bryant.
We thugged in the rain for days, it's ready to make it out on prey. Friends died before they walked the stage. Watching my review, I've been playing it safe. Trying to show my niggas in the dark that it's a brighter way. But my youngins, they love to bang, get older, none of the love the same. He done played the block for days, and the system, they didn't stop his dream. Everybody gave up on him, so that real love is hard to believe. In the hood, it be hard to sincere. Like everybody hating on me. Transportation was our own 2 feet. Love you ain't get a chance to see. Now in foreign cars, OT, 100 baddies on my yacht. Celebrate tonight, back to work tomorrow, no we don't stop. Can't lose my position and go back to living on that block. See my first chance to get rich, got up and took my shot. Elevated, now they feel away. Trusting them was my mistake. Giving them, they gotta pay. I got trying if I die today. You stand the rain. Stood at the bus stop in a hoodie while it was storming. Like, can you stand the rain? Walk miles to school, shoes were soaked cause it was flooded. Like, can you stand the rain? Mama laid on bills to get some heat, we use the oven. And can you stand the rain? Stood 10 toes in the rain and came out like it was nothing. Can you stand the rain? Say you was rocking till the wheels fell off, they fell off and then you vanished. But they ain't caused no damage. Got diamonds in my pen, started together, you left, I finished. I got family all in my business, became my idol to all the children. Now I get DMX for handouts, people claiming they my blood, claiming they been there in this love. Never asked for much but guidance, now to my last I was still providing. Trying to keep my mom to keep smiling, though I can't do that if I'm sliding. Cause she already lost her son and ever since the family divided. Now I'm doing whatever I can to make us come together. Can we stick together? No exceptions, no